strawberries are super easy to grow, and we've been harvesting 300 to 400 grams a day from this patch here, which is approximately 3 by 5 meters. And this is them just getting going. Strawberries are pretty low maintenance too. We give this patch a good weed once a year, and then we mulch it with a couple of inches of wood chip in the winter. The wood chip breaks down and provides food for the strawberries. It also pins down any new runners, and it will mulch out any weak plants, which will also break down and provide food for the soil. And that's it until harvest time. No chemicals needed, no pesticides, no synthetic fertilizers, just nature for this beautiful crop. Yet the EWG's Dirty Dozen lists non-organically grown strawberries as the #1 offender when it comes to pesticide residues, with samples of strawberries containing up to 82 varying combinations of pesticides from samples in the USA. Now, fortunately, some of these pesticides have been banned in Europe already. However, I'm not sure how we sit now in the UK, being that we are no longer part of the European Union. Strawberries can grow really well in tubs, troughs, pots and hanging baskets too, which makes them a great crop to grow if you only have a small space. Well worth the effort to avoid the plethora of chemicals and make sure that you only get all of the juicy goodness, antioxidants and vitamin C's that strawberries offer. The most time-consuming part about growing strawberries, we think, is the daily harvest at this time of year. And we harvest our strawberries as soon as they start getting a little blush colour on them. And the reason for this is to beat the birds to as much of our harvest as possible. You can harvest them whilst they've still got quite a lot of white on the strawberry, and then you just keep them in a cool, dark place overnight, and by the morning nearly all of your strawberries would have fully ripened. And you cannot beat the taste of freshly harvested, sun-ripened strawberries. You want this strawberry? Is that nice, Mum? Is that nice?